Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is audible. Okay. Now observe it here. Oracle. Here, so many versions are there in a Oracle. These are demo classes. Don't write it anything. Just some terminology awareness purpose. Oracle. So many versions are there. 1978 onwards. So many versions are there. 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three is also called as 8i. Next 9i, 10g, 11g, 12c, 18c, 19c, 21c1. But in our class, latest software 19c we are learning. Oracle 19c. 19 is a version number. C means cloud technology. Nowadays, everyone knows cloud. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. C is a what? Cloud technology. But unfortunately, observe it here. What is this Oracle actually? Oracle is a yes, very good. Everyone telling a what? Correct answer. Observe it here. Oracle is a database product. Oracle is a database product on. So many database products are available in a worldwide. So many different companies using. One is Oracle is a database product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a database product from Microsoft. MySQL is a database product from open source. DB2 is a database product from IBM company. Teradata is a database product from NCR Corporation. Sybase is a database product from Ingress company. Like this, different company products, this one. But one of the popular product is Oracle is a database product from Oracle Corporation. That's why Oracle, everyone knows Oracle is a database product. What is database? We are learning, don't worry. Database product. Now check it out. Oracle is a database product. What is the purpose of this Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, MySQL? These product purpose is, what is the purpose? Yes, everyone knows. Okay, so much of purpose is there. First main purpose is to store data. Observe it here, to store data. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices in a hard disk only. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means in a hard disk. In the olden days, 1960 before, C long ways through also they are storing. Some drawbacks are there. So many things we are learning in a future. So now here history is a concept is there, in chapter is there. In that one I will tell you. But before that one, just 1960 onwards, these type of database softwares are there. Those softwares, what the purpose means? To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Okay, na? Yes. Now slowly observe here. Concentrate here. Actually, in a real time, so many applications are there. Without a database, there is no software projects only nowadays. Suppose, for example, outside person understandable purpose, all organizations maintain a what? Databases. Nowadays, all organizations maintain databases. Suppose, for example, you are taking a what? Example side, simple example in a non-technical persons also understandable. You take banks. So now here, yes, banks maintain databases. Banks maintain, so now here databases. And now observe here, suppose what is the purpose? So now what is the purpose? Okay, they're maintaining a what? Databases means for storing a what? For storing a what? Yes, very good. For storing day-to-day transactions. Some fellows are telling correct. Day-to-day day-to-day transactions purpose only. Transactions purpose. For example, so now here you are a customer, I am a customer. I am also, you are also going to wear bank only. What is the purpose? Customers are going to bank for depositing a what? Very good. Depositing a what? Money. Suppose I want to deposit some money only. So now here I deposit some money. Okay, fine. So now here into my account. Otherwise, another account. Again, which is so now here, yes, suppose I want to withdraw some money. So now here withdraw some amount only. Withdraw some amount, for example. Okay, fine. Withdraw some amount. Again, I want to transfer some money from one account to another account. These are all transactions I am performing, but those all details are permanently I want to store. Okay, fine. Why? Because suppose here I have a 10,000 rupees are there in my account. I am withdrawing a what? 3,000 rupees means remaining 7,000 rupees are showing in a where? So no bank database. Otherwise, I am withdrawing a 3,000. It does not show the what remaining balance is 7,000 means total banking system is collapsed. That's why always all the details are stored permanently. So now here, that's why always banks maintain a what? Databases. Again, for example, telecom. So now telecom companies also maintain a what? Databases. Everyone knows. I am also, you are also make a call to your friend. Now here, those details are maintained by telecom companies only. So now here, yes, that is a customer call details are maintained by, so now here telecom departments by using a what? Some databases, any database, either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2, any databases they are using only. That's why always, suppose online shopping, you are also, I am also purchasing a what items. So now here, those all the details are where it is available in a databases. Suppose here, whenever in a festivals are coming, they are giving a what? So now here, 15%, 30%, 20% offers only. But those all details are available in a where? Databases. Suppose in a Google, you are typing any information, that information retrieved from where? Databases. That's why so many examples are there. Don't worry. And now here, that's why here Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these are database products. These database products purpose is to store data permanently. Okay, to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Okay, fine. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Up to this one, maybe so many fellows are having idea. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, slowly observe here. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software in my system. Observe here. Oracle software. In a future, you are also installing. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is created in a hard disk. Observe here. Suppose you are loading a what? SQL Server. You are loading a what? MySQL. You are loading a what? So installing a what? Any software, Teradata. These softwares we are loading means automatically some place is created in a disk only. This is called a database. Everyone knows. This is a place where we can store data permanently. Okay. This is a database only. Okay, fine. Now here, check it out, database. Now check it out. In this database, I am also, you are also storing a what? Which one? A data. Okay, fine. In this place only, we are storing a data. Now, what they are thinking of what first time newcomer means, you are a first time newcomer, for example, without any knowledge of the database means, I am also, you are also thinking, oh, maybe any type of data also we are storing into where? These databases. We are thinking logically, okay, but unfortunately, there is a wrong one. That is wrong one, absolutely wrong one. So now here, random collection of data, any collection of data we cannot store in a databases, these type of databases. These type of databases does not store random collection of data. What type of databases? Oracle up to now I am telling, SQL Server I am telling, DB2 I am telling, MySQL I am telling, Teradata I am telling, MongoDB I am not telling, Teradata I am telling, Sybase I am telling. These type of databases are called relational databases. These databases does not store random collection of data. Impossible. Random collection of data is storing in a where some other databases are there, MongoDB, Cassandra, those different only. And now there is a non-relational, there is a NoSQL database. This is here, yes, a relational database only. These databases stores a what? Which one? Structured collection of data. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software. Slowly observe here. Whenever I'm installing, you are installing a what? Oracle software, automatically some place is created in a disk only. I will show you those all the things later. Okay, observe here, Oracle database, for example. Now in this one, this database stores a what? Here, organized fashion, structured collection of data it will be storing. A structured manner only it will be storing the data. Organized fashion only data is storing permanently. Not a unstructured, structured collection of data. Suppose these are Oracle or SQL Server, these databases are available in 1970 onwards. Relational data model is a concept is there. Otherwise, relational databases, these are. Because E.F. Codd is introducing in 1970 onwards. He is a mathematician. He is working in IBM company in the olden days. That's why he decided to store the data in the format of matrix. This is a matrix, nothing but rows and columns. Rows and columns only. And now here, that's why this is a what? So now very good. Structured collection of data. Yes, here this is a what? Structured collection of data. That's why always Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these all database softwares are relational databases. Relational data model is some concept is there. I will tell you later. That based only they are implementing. In that one, so now here structured collection of data is there, not a unstructured. What is data? What is information? One of these days I will tell you. Structured collection of data. So now once a structured collection of data is there, as organized fashion only data is storing in a logically. That is a what? A matrix format, rows and columns. So nowadays table format. Once a structured collection of data is there, I am also, you are also, so now you are operating a what? This data, how can I? Yes, we are using a what? One language. What is that language? Anybody have an idea? SQL is a language. A universal language is there, structured query language. Through this language only, we are operating a what? A data in a way, relational databases. That is important. I am also, you are also operating a what? Data in these databases by using a what? One universal language is there. What is that one? SQL is a language, structured query language. Suppose, for example, really correct or not, check it out. Suppose first observe it here. This is a Oracle database. In a future, you are also familiar, 19C version. Suppose I am observing a what? Here, data in a where in this database only, table format only data is there. Observe here. Yes, table format. These all the things in a future you are familiar. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Here, okay, structured manner only data is there or not. At least observe it here. Matrix format. Rows are there. These are called rows. These are called rows only. These are called columns. Observe here, columns only. Okay, fine. A structured manner only data is there or not. Rows and columns only. Same like a matrix format only. But here this is called table only. Now observe it here, a structured manner, how we are given the guarantee means simple technique is there. Suppose employee number is a column is there. In this column, only they are storing a what? Which one? Numbers. You are observing or not? Only we are storing a what? Numbers. Again, here, this is another column is there. Okay, character column here. In this column, only they are storing a what? Strings only. Again, in this column is there. In this column, only they are storing a what? Dates only they are storing. That's why organized fashion, a structured manner only data is there. Suppose here, now check it out, concentrate here. This is another table is there, for example. So much of things are there in a database. So many tables are there. You are also creating in a feature, these type of things. Suppose, for example, here, this is a data is there. I am also, you are also working in a company, for example. Suddenly your manager asking, New York is a data is there. Change this data into where Hyderabad is a data, they're asking. Whenever they're asking about maybe, so now here that location they want to change means just I am also, you are also working in a company side. We are a so now Oracle developer or SQL Server developer, DB2 developer means we are using a what? Which language? Some commands we are using only. That is called SQL language. Suppose here in a future you are good at what? SQL language, something you are writing like this, update table name, don't write it. Set here location is equal to Hyderabad. Simple commands, single line of 2 lines of coding only, simple. That's why databases are very easy. Now here where, now here check it out. Just I'm using a what like this. Observe here. Yes, one row updated or not. Yes, here whenever I'm typing a what, some command only, then automatically that is affected or not. Yes, here check it out. Yes, it is affected. It is affected or not? Hyderabad. In a previous case, New York is a location is there, but in this case, Hyderabad is a what? Location changing. Just I'm typing a what? Some command. You are observing or not? Some command I am typing only. This is called which language? Which language? SQL is a language. Whatever command I'm typing, update, insert, delete, select, so many concepts are there. I will tell you in SQL language. That's why always, Oracle is a database product. What type of database product means? Relational database, some concept is there. Don't worry. That based only they're implementing a what? This product. This product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a SQL Server from Microsoft. Same like a NCR Corporation from Teradata. Same like a what? A son of Sybase from Ingress company. Like this, same like a DB2 from IBM company. That's why same like a what? A son of here, so many other products are there. Other workers companies products are there. Same like that one. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation, but this is a popular product. These are relational database products. What is the purpose of that product means? To store data permanently. Once we are storing the what data permanently, there is a structured collection of data only storing in a where in these type of databases. And now here, once the data is there permanently, how you are operating a what data in this databases? Anybody tell me? One is what? One language is there. What is that one? Up to now we are telling roughly which language? SQL is a language. Not only SQL language, compulsory you are learning a what? Another language is there. What is that one? In our course, I will tell you. PLSQL is a language is there. PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. In our course, we are learning about SQL language first. Through that one, we are operating about data in these databases we are learning. After that one, some knowledge is there. Then extension of this SQL language nowadays, PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL we are learning. Not only that one, these two languages through we are operating, but also another command, another language is there. What is that one? Anybody have an idea? Dynamic SQL is a language. Dynamic SQL language. That's why whenever you are joining a company, you are working in a where Oracle database, then you must familiar what? These three languages. These three languages. One is what? SQL language. Another one is what? PLSQL language. Another one is what? A dynamic SQL language. These three are now here, yes, languages. Are now here, yes, here. Now SQL, PLSQL, and a dynamic. So now here, yes, here, languages only. Are now okay? Na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Okay, these three languages, okay, we are learning only in our course. Observe here. Actually, SQL is a language. In our course, we are telling only so much of thing is there. Okay, for you are a newcomer means which concepts we are learning about in SQL language. Observe here. One minute only. Okay. Here, SQL language, some main concepts are there. Okay, fine. What is that one means? Something we are learning only in that one. Main concepts means now joins is a concept is there. How it will be writing what these select statements, all the things I will tell you one of these days. Okay, observe it here. Joins is a main concept. In every database, SQL language also joins. Joins means to retrieve the data from multiple tables. Okay, fine. How we are retrieving the data from multiple tables, we are learning in our companies, on our course side only, in a where, okay, company side, very helpful this one only. Joins is a concept. SQL language concepts in every database SQL also. Not only that one left out or right out or full out or how we are writing what joins, we are learning only. And now here, yes, main concepts only, big chapter. Then we are learning what? Constraints is another concept. Constraint means primary key, foreign key, check, not null, unique. So many things we are learning. Don't worry. These are all the things. In a way, there is a big concept. Okay, fine. Now, after that one, very important chapter only. In every database also, not only Oracle, yes, SQL language side, subqueries we are learning. Subquery means suppose you are a Java developer, you are a .NET developer, you are a Python developer, you are also attending interview. Write a query to display second highest salary employee. Write a query to display nth highest salary employee. Write a query to delete duplicate rows. These type of queries compulsory they are asking because some database minimum knowledge is required. How you are writing that query means this chapter too. This chapter is main concept in a where every database SQL, not only Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, all database SQL language side. Yes, this will be there. Okay, fine. Yes, here so many queries we are learning. Okay, fine. Yes, big concept, big chapter. That one you have an idea means so many things we are achieving. Again, in our SQL language side, some database objects are there, views, sequences, synonyms, so many things are there. One of these days, you are familiar. Those are all the things only. Okay, fine. And now here, now again, sorry, big concept actually. Now here again, PLSQL is another vocation of here chapter is there. Okay, PLSQL. Now in this PLSQL, okay, so now here, this is the so much of syllabus we are learning. Once we are good at what SQL in a cursors, maybe SQL Server, SQL also, PLSQL also, cursor, some concept is there. Exception, some concepts are there. Stored procedures, suppose Java, .NET programmer side, stored procedures, stored functions, in parameter, out parameter, in out parameter, they must be familiar. These are all the things we are telling. Stored functions, triggers, packages. But unfortunately, so many fellows are not a Java, not a .NET, not a Python. Some fellows are who are applying a jobs in a where pure PLSQL developers, 2 years, 3 years gap is there. Those persons purpose, advanced concepts we are telling in a PLSQL, job oriented, collections, very, very important, bulk bind, riff cursors, local subprograms, UTL file packages, external tables, SQL loader, because maybe so many fellows are applying award jobs in a where pure PLSQL developer jobs also there. Tomorrow I will tell you which jobs, what type of persons learning, those are all the big concept. Okay, fine. And now that's why these all the things are available in a dynamic SQL, means a little bit of thing that is extension of the way PLSQL. Now that's why I always observed here, Oracle is a product from database product from Oracle Corporation. If you want to operate this Oracle, means how many languages we are learning? SQL language. Another one is what? PLSQL language. Another one is what? Dynamic SQL language we are learning. Okay, fine. In our course, these are all languages we are learning. What is the purpose? We are learning this course, all the things I will tell you. But before we are going to start that one, this is a demo class. No, some fellows having a doubts only. Those doubts, very easy way we are clarifying what first today. And now here, what is that one means? Concentrate here. Suppose, slowly observe here. So many relational database products are there in a worldwide. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Suppose I am working in a company, for example, slowly observe it here. What is my doubt means? Maybe some fellows are telling what correct answer, I think. This is very interesting. Oracle, I am working in a where Oracle product, Oracle database product in my company only. In this project only, ABC company is there. In this Oracle project only, I am working, for example. Again, so now here, yes, some in my company, some other project also there. That is also relational database product. That is a what? SQL Server project. That is from Microsoft product only. That is also relational database project. Okay, fine. Again, some fellows are working in a company, maybe different projects only. MySQL is a relational database product is there. In that product only, some fellows are working. Slowly observe it here. Slowly observe it here. Actually, I am also, my colleagues also working in a where Oracle project means I am operating, you are operating a what? Oracle project. Okay, then I am using a what? Which language? SQL is a language through I am operating a what? Data in a where in this Oracle project. Okay, fine. SQL language I am using. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here. SQL language I am using. Again, SQL Server is a what? A project is there. That is a Microsoft product, same like a Oracle only, but different company project only, that one. And now here, yes, that is operating also. Those persons are using a what? Which language? SQL language only they are using. SQL language, so SQL language only they are using. Okay, fine, like this. Again here, MySQL is a database is there. MySQL is a what? Open source database. Some fellows are working only. This MySQL database they are operating means SQL language they are using. Some other colleagues are using a what? SQL language. But what is my doubt means, so many fellows having a doubt in our class also. These all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. In a Oracle, we are operating also, we are using a what? SQL language. Some other fellows are working in a SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. Those products are operating also SQL language they are using. Some other open source product is there, MySQL. MySQL, they're operating also, they're using a what? SQL language. But these all SQL languages are same or different? Very easy, you are guessing on. Very good. So many fellows are telling a what? Same they are telling only, but unfortunately, same is the wrong answer. Okay, wrong one, wrong one. Why so many fellows are in our class only, they are telling a what? Same, maybe academic career side, MCAs, BTechs, MSc computers, these type of persons are good knowledge in a where computer science students only, they are telling a wrong answers in this case. And now observe here, those persons are little bit of knowledge is there in a database also. Why they are telling a what wrong answer? These all SQL languages are same. They are telling only wrong answer that one. Why means maybe in SQL language side, insert, update, delete, select commands are there. That 4 or 5 commands are SQL server language. Yes, SQL server or Oracle or MySQL, DB2. These all database products are same syntaxes maybe. That's why they are telling a what same only. But unfortunately, that is different. So now here, yes, those 4 commands, 5 commands are same also, but all SQL languages are not same. Very, very important, not same. These all SQL languages are different only. How you are understandable, that concept only. These all SQL languages are not same, different. But how you are understandable, that concept means simple technique is there. What is that one means? Maybe, and now here, yes, so many fellows are nowadays latest programmers, Python, okay, some Java, these type of courses, they have an idea. Okay, fine, little bit of computer students only. Through that languages, compare is what this one, easily you are understandable, that is the same or different only, very easy. Just 1 minute or 2 minutes observe here, 2 minutes observe here. Just I am taking a small example. Through that one, same concept is there in a comparing concepts in a database, then easily you are understandable only. All SQL languages are not same, that is different. How I am telling what, how I am giving the guarantee means simple technique is there. What is that one means? Slowly observe here. So many computers, okay, son of here, yes, so many fellows are learning what computer courses. Those persons are very good knowledge in aware. Maybe some object-oriented languages names only. Course not required, names. Suppose C++ is an object-oriented language. Java is an object-oriented language. .NET is an object-oriented language. Like this, so Visual C++ is a what? Object-oriented language. That's why so many object-oriented languages are available, okay, in a worldwide. Now check it out. Suppose here 2 object-oriented languages I'm taking only. Through that comparison, same database SQL language also comparison means easily you're understandable. You never mistaken. What is that one means? Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Suppose just simple technique only. Simple. This one through everyone understandable. In a computer students means observed here. Suppose C++ is a what language is there. This is an object-oriented language from Microsoft. Again here, Java also object-oriented language. Okay, fine. That's a Java, Python. These are popular languages. Okay, fine. Now, actually, this is an object-oriented language. C++ is a what? Object-oriented language. Java also object-oriented language. But unfortunately, in these object-oriented language, object-oriented features are there. Maybe. Oops, features are there, I think. Now here, yes. Here, Java also object-oriented features are there. And vocation of here, yes, here. C++ also object-oriented features are there. What are the object-oriented features are there in a C++? Maybe anybody having idea in a computer students? Very good. They have an idea. Class is a object-oriented feature. Again here, object is a what? Object-oriented feature. Something is there. No? And now here, yes. What is class? What is object? Something is there. No? And now here again, data binding, encapsulation, inheritance. Something is there or not? Yes, here inheritance is a what? Object-oriented concept. Again here, polymorphism is an object-oriented feature only. Polymorphism, something. Okay. Don't worry, non-technical persons. Logical observation, polymorphism like this. And now here, check it out. Again, in a Java also, same object-oriented features are there. Features are same. What is class? Something is there. User-defined data type. Here, object is there. Okay, fine. Again, another one is what? Inheritance is there. Inheritance. Okay, fine. Like this. Again, here, polymorphism is there. For example, polymorphism is there. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Here also, what is class, what is object, what is inheritance, value, polymorphism, same. Okay, but unfortunately, syntax observed. Suppose anybody technical persons are there in our class. So 1 minute observed here. Yes, I want to creating an object. How can I in a C++? Anybody have an idea? Creating an object syntax in a where C++. What is the syntax? Very good. Creating an object in a where syntax. What the syntax means? Here, observe here. Class name. Now, very good. Some fellows are telling class name space object name. This is a syntax in a where in a C++. But unfortunately, how we are creating a what? Maybe some computer students are there. Tell me maybe. Now here those persons are telling Correct answer. How they are creating a what? Creating an object in a where from the class only in a where in a Java language side means what is the syntax? Very good. What is the syntax? Here, what is the syntax is there means observe it here. Here, now class name. Observe it here. Class name. Here, class name. Now here is space object name, same syntax, no, different syntax. Object name is equal to new class constructor. Very good. Some fellows are guessing. Very good. New class constructor, maybe they are computer students only. Yes, new class constructor. That's why these are syntactically same or different. Very good. Here also object creation is there in a C++. Here also object creation is there. That's why syntactically different, syntactically different, very important, different only. And now here class name space object name in a C++, but in a Java side class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Conceptually same, you are observing or not. Object oriented features are same, you are observing or not. These object oriented features means what is class, what is object, what is polymorphism, what means meaning is same. Okay, object oriented features meaning is same, but unfortunately creating a what? Yes, object from the class means syntactically different. These two languages syntactically different, but unfortunately functions also different. Functions means everyone knows actually in a C++, cout is a what? Function is there to display stream output. Again in a Java, same function possible? No, system dot out dot println. That's why this is also son of here is syntactically different. And also functions also totally different. Functions also totally different. Same like that one. Observe it here. Yes, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix. These are relational databases. These relational database we are operating means one language is there. What is that language? Universal language is there. That is called ANSI standard language, SQL language. SQL is a what? ANSI standard SQL. SQL is a universal language. I am agree. This is a ANSI standard language. SQL is a ANSI standard language which works in all relational databases. Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2 working. But unfortunately, yes, what happened means different. Observe here. Based on this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation, slowly observe here. Here only key concept is there. Oracle Corporation is there, no? Oracle Corporation creating a what? Their own SQL language. Oracle Corporation creating a what? Their own SQL language. That's why in our class, we are learning a what? Oracle SQL language. Again, yes, here, okay, Microsoft company, just Microsoft only, Microsoft company, so now creating a what? Their own SQL from this SQL language only, that is SQL Server SQL. Okay, so now SQL Server SQL, they are creating only. And now again, here MySQL, open source only, creating a what? Which one? MySQL SQL, different. That's why always these are from the ANSI standard SQL language. Oracle Corporation creating a what? Oracle SQL language. Microsoft creating a what? SQL Server SQL language. MySQL creating a what? MySQL SQL language. Teradata NCR Corporation creating a what? Teradata SQL only. These all SQL languages conceptually same. Conceptually joins, constraints, procedures, function, triggers, packages. These are available. These are all conceptually same. What is what? But totally syntactically different. And also functions also different. Suppose here in a Oracle SQL language side, here if you want to operate a null values means, okay, null value problem is there in a arithmetic operation performed on null values. NVL is a function we are using only. For example, Oracle in our course side only. Same function we are copy paste only in SQL Server database only working. No, how it is working? That is different actually. That's why in this language, null is a function we are using only, same operation purpose. Again, same function we are copying into where MySQL database working. No, that is not working. And now here if null is a function is there. That's why all these languages are different. Conceptually same, but syntactically and functions wise what? Totally different. At least some functions are different. Some syntactically different only. And now here, observe here, functions are different and syntactically different only. And now here, that's why always, which one? SQL is a what? ANSI standard language. which operates a what? All relational databases. But unfortunately, from that NC standard SQL language, Oracle Corporation creating a what? Oracle SQL. In our course, we are learning a what? Oracle SQL language. Understood the difference? Okay, na? Finished? Understood? Yes, very, 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 very important. Now here, understood that one? Yes. Okay, so now, but unfortunately, this course, what type of persons they want to learn, what type of jobs are available, those all the things next we are learning only. Okay, so now some concept is there, but first time. So now here, here installations we are learning a what in a future. Now here, yes, this type of fundamentals we are learning one of these days. Here these type of big occasion of programs also available, but unfortunately any non-technical persons also easily they are learning what these type of courses only. Okay, these courses very easy only. Observe it here. Yes, actually what type of jobs are available in one of these days I will tell you next only. Your Java, Python, okay, PHP, these backend purpose they are using. In a PLSQL developers are there, pure PLSQL in how many years gap is there, those persons, ETL developers, business analysts, those all the things, different jobs are there. Those all the things and next I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, this is the first time, no, and a small concept is enough only. Now here, actually in our course side, in our course side, first we are learning a what? SQL language. Then only extension of the SQL after SQL completed, PLSQL we are learning. Then only we are learning a what? A dynamic SQL. Anybody having a doubts? This is a small demo only. Tomorrow I am telling a what type of different persons are interested to learn at this course. And also what type of jobs are available and why we are learning of PLSQL. These all the things I will tell you. Okay. Just a small idea only, first time newcomers, just a small idea. Anybody having any doubts, means please ask me. Yes, this course only PLSQL developer putting a 3 years, 4 years in a number of years also not. Okay, na? Anybody having any doubts? Regular classes are starts from after 3 days after. Okay, yeah. Why? Because that is first demo classes only. These are demo classes because newcomers are okay, so coming only. Yeah, maybe non-technical persons are there. This course time also duration is very long. Okay, so more than 3 months above, 4 months above it will take a time. Okay, yeah, because so much of syllabus. Sometimes you are attending a parallelly also SQL, PLSQL. Okay, 9 o'clock we are starting a regular session. Yes, once we are starting SQL language, practically we are okay, so now we are practicing only how we are installing a what Oracle software. I will tell you. Non-native persons also learning, but they are practically they are typing some commands, means then they are understandable. Okay. Yeah. Nine to 10 o'clock. Okay. Duration is okay. Class hours is 9 to 10. Because 10 o'clock another class is there. Some fellows are asking only, Murali sir, I don't have any idea in a software. Can I learn? Yes, possible. Because database is very easy compared to where normal software languages, database is more than 3 months only course. Okay. Na? Sunday classes are not there. Saturday it will be available. Sometimes Saturday is there, sometimes Saturday also. Okay. Okay, now subject wise, there is no problem. Okay, yes, I will tell you all the things more clearly, one by one by one by one. Okay, most side means something I am telling only, but regular session means clearly step by step notes also I will tell you. Okay. Yes, real time scenarios also we are discussing. Subject wise, don't worry. Or recorded videos also they are sending only. Okay. Yes, management will send recorded videos and PDF file also they are sending. But in our class also we are telling our notes. Okay, because once you are writing is maybe easily you are remembering only. That is I am thinking actually. Okay, recording classes also available. You have to ask what management, their details only they are giving. Okay. Yes. Who, okay, I am a fellow who is having 3 years gap only. They're asking only. Yes. 3 years gap means you are applying as a PLS developer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is pure PLSQL developer based only. I'm designing only because I'm so experienced person. 2010 onwards in teaching field only. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, why it will take so much of time means okay, so much of depth is there. There's a problem. Okay, subject, okay, more subject I'm delivering means maybe confidence level is different. So that's why so many fellows are successful. That's why I am decided about very slowly all the things I'm telling. Okay, yeah. Once confidence level is there, anything you are reading articles also easily understandable. Nowadays net is there, YouTube's are there. Okay, self learning also most powerful. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you so much for attending this small demo. Tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Tomorrow I'll continue. Okay. Okay. Anybody wants a what the syllabus more clearly, all the things okay. In a net also, Murali sir PDF you have to type in a Google. Then okay, olden days one fellow is putting a what that PDF in a very in a net only. That is SQL, PL, SQL, Murali sir PDF you are typing on a Google. Yes, that is available. But 11G is available. Okay, yeah, olden days 11G, 12C. In those days, no. In 2012 or 2010, those type of things. Okay, yeah. You have to check it out. Not a problem. Subject wise, very easily, everyone getting a what? Good knowledge. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Tomorrow continue. Tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Some fellows are asking more, Lisa, real-time scenarios. Real-time scenarios means some important concepts. Why I am telling only all the concepts, real-time scenarios, we are not discussing. Okay, yeah. Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. It is audible. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me now? Anybody tell me? Yeah. Today also demo class because 1 or 2 days only. Okay, so now here demo classes only. Don't write it anything. Just some terminology, at least awareness purpose. We are learning what like this. Don't write it. Actually, anybody not adding yesterday means what I am telling. Small concept I am telling. Demo no. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Yesterday I'm telling. This is a what? 19C is a version number. C means cloud technology. This is a what type of software? Database software I'm telling. Yesterday I'm telling like that only newcomers means observe it here. Oracle is a database software. But what is the purpose of these database softwares means to store data permanently in a hard disk only. But unfortunately, these type of Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these database softwares are yesterday I'm telling only relational database softwares. 1970 onwards, these relational database softwares are there. What is that one? Later we are learning. MongoDB, those type of softwares are different actually, non-relational that one. Whenever these Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these type of softwares we are installing in your system, one place is created that is called database in a disk only, database. These databases does not store random collection of data. These databases stores a what? A structured collection of data. Yesterday I'm telling, these are structured collection of data. Structured collection of data means organized fashion only data is storing. That is table formats. Nowadays, these are table format, matrix format only. That is table format. Okay, fine. A structured collection of data. Once data is stored in a very structured manner in this type of database, either MySQL you are learning, otherwise SQL Server you are learning, otherwise Oracle you are learning, otherwise DB2 you are learning, any relational database also same concept. Structured collection of data is there. Once a structured collection of data is there, you are also operating this data by using a what? One specialized language is there. What is that language? Very good. Anybody attending a what yesterday class means they have an idea. SQL, structured query language is there. Through that one only, by using this language only, we are operating a data in these databases. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Here, this is a table is there, for example. In a table format only, we are storing the data. This data we are modifying or anything means just we are using a what? SQL language. Okay, I'm agree. SQL language means a structured query language, very easy. Okay, so now commands are there, 1 or 2 lines of coding only, not a very difficult coding, just a very easiest coding one. But unfortunately, yesterday, what I'm telling, not only okay that language. If you want to operate a what Oracle database, not only okay SQL language, but also some other languages are required. I'm telling what is that languages means. SQL is a language already. It's a little bit of knowledge you have an idea. Extension of the SQL, PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL, and dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL, you don't know, also not a problem nowadays. PLSQL and SQL languages are required to operate a what? This database, okay, Oracle database. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, slowly observed here, suppose SQL language means only 1 or 2 lines of coding, that's all. Suppose, for example, okay, in a real-time example, I'm telling, suppose, for example, slowly observe here. Whenever anybody nowadays connect to the very any websites or anything means security purpose, they are giving a what? In your phone, okay, in your mobile, OTP is generated, you are observing or not. And also maybe same like a what a banking system side only. Okay, suppose online SBI, whenever you are typing means in that case captcha also you are entering only whenever you are nowadays security purpose. But those type of things, how it will be generated means, suppose SQL is a language is there. Okay, project oriented this one. Don't write it. Just observe here. SQL structured query language is there. Suppose I want to generate a OTPs means in a Oracle SQL language means in a project side, how they are writing means simple select statement. Don't write it these ones. In a future, you are also familiar only. This is a package is there. Okay, fine. Like this only. Something you are writing in a future. Okay, fine. Observe here. And now check it out. Now some commands are there. Single line of coding one. Suppose here this one OTP. Okay, they are writing and mobile number. They are including only. So many things are there. Okay, fine. Just observe it here. These type of, suppose you are learning a courses means just this type of 1 or 2 lines of coding you are writing means automatically, observe here, OTP is generated. This OTP, whatever type password is, okay, so now mobile number is there, that connection they're establishing only, then automatically this OTP is generated into where? That mobile number. Yes, that mobile number through they're receiving, they're entering, then only connection is established. That much of coding they're writing, don't worry. So now here, that's why here this type of single line of coding is there. This is called SQL coding, structured query language, some coding one. Suppose some captcha we are generating means, okay, so now here, observe here, some coding is there in SQL. These are packages, don't worry, project oriented. And now here, some codings are there. Here, captcha. And now here, observe here, captcha is generated or not? Yes, here, observe here. Some in a, okay, cannot characters, okay, fine. Observe here. Captcha is generated, okay, anything. A combination of characters. Again here, printable characters also I want means just they're writing a what codings like this in a real-time project side. Observe here, some fellows are more security purpose, some printable characters also they're giving. Yes, captcha is generated or not? Yes, this is the way. That's why here so many applications are there, real-time application. SQL is a very easiest language. Through that SQL language only, we are operating data, we are performing some operations in a project oriented. Very easy, okay, fine. But unfortunately, so many fellows are asking yesterday, Murali sir, you are telling what Oracle is a relational database software. We are operating what that software means SQL language through, you are telling only. But why we are learning what PLSQL also? What is the need of this PLSQL? What is this extension of the SQL language PLSQL? Why nowadays programmers are most familiar? This language also means reason is there. So many real applications are there, but unfortunately, your understandable purpose, one application I'm telling, through that one you are understandable, 1 or 2 applications. Why that PLSQL is required means check it out. Then only this course is useful in a way which type of developer side, what type of jobs are there, I will tell you. Suppose, for example, small transaction I'm telling. Daily, so many fellows are, I am also, you are also going to where bank. Banking is a best example. Okay, fine. Suppose here, this is a bank table is there, for example, in my project. Otherwise, you are also, I am also going to bank. Slowly observe it here. This is a bank. Okay, fine. In this bank only, 1 minute, observe it here. This is a table format only, data is there. Real time also in a banking system side, in a table format only, your data is storing. Don't worry. That is a relational database software only. Now check it out. In a bank, suppose here SBI bank is there, for example. In that bank only some details are there. Account number is a column, for example. Name of the account holder and balance only. These 3 columns are there, for example. In this case, slowly observe it here. Account number 1001, anything, roughly I'm giving. This is data. Now this account number, my name only, Murali. Okay, fine. Now I have a balance. Presently, my balance is what? 3,000 rupees are there, for example. Okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. Suppose here another customer is there, another account holder 1002 account number and ABC name of the account holder and 4,000 rupees are there. For example, these are the details are there in a where? In a bank table, for example. Suppose what is my requirement means one requirement is there. Slowly observe it here. Very easily understandable. Today, I want to withdraw some money from ATM machine, for example. Okay, in a ATM. Okay, so a bank ATM. Now here, this is a what? SBI bank only, for example, in a bank. Okay, so now State Bank of India. Or now here in a government bank, for example. Now here, Murali is a what? My name only. My account number 1001. My balance is how much is there? 3,000 is there presently. Okay, in this bank only. Okay, fine. Now today I decided to withdraw what? Some amount only. For example, I want to withdraw 9,000 rupees, for example, today. Now I'm going to wear ATM mission, for example. Now I'm inserting a what my ATM card and I'm not checking my balance. For example, my balance is how much? 3,000 is there. Now I try to withdraw how much amount? 9,000 rupees, for example. Whenever I'm typing a what 9,000 rupees, for example, here, yes, enter, okay, pin number, enter amount, so many options are there. No, last only enter amount is there. Now I try to type a what 9,000 rupees working. No, automatically it will give a what a message, insufficient funds, maybe some message it will be written. What is that message? Insufficient funds only. Now here, because my balance is 3,000 is there, but I try to withdraw more than that. Okay, see, available balance only, that is 9,000 in this example side, but in that case it won't work. So now here in this case, automatically, now here this ATM machine giving a what some message, insufficient occasion of funds only. In a message, it will be written. Now here, yes, here this message is a ATM machine only. How it will be written? Same like you only. Some programmers are there. Those are software engineers. Suppose those persons are very good knowledge in aware Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL, these type of database softwares, they have an idea. They are only writing about coding. Suppose Oracle programmer means they are writing about coding only, they are writing. If yes, your user entered amount is what more than the available balance, then yes, your insufficient funds is a message they are writing only. Then only that is executed, that code is executed only. That's why in a Oracle programmer, how they are writing a what that coding means, if conditions, those all the things means same like a C, C++, Java languages, if condition loops or something is there. No, there is a procedural language concept they are writing a what through the where PLSQL language, SQL through not possible because some conditions, same like a programming. Suppose now here check it out. Suppose for example, I try to withdraw what 1,000 rupees, for example, or otherwise 2,000 rupees from the where this ATM machine in this example. Possible. Why? Because whenever okay, my balance is a what 3,000 is there. Now I decided to withdraw what 2,000 rupees means yes possible. My user entered amount is less than the where available balance or not. In that case possible. Suppose I am withdrawing a what 2,000 rupees, then automatically I want to update a what this balance is a what in a banking system side 1,000 rupees only. Otherwise, banking system is collapsed. Those type of transactions we are writing means compulsory. Yes, here. Okay, so now in a company side, software developers are required. PLSQL developer is a jobs are there. Those persons only writing a what code. Now here, suppose for example, you are a PLSQL developer in a future. For example, okay, in a non-technical persons, don't afraid only, just observe it here, how they are writing a what this coding means. Actually, Java developers are well-known persons. Procedures is a concept is there. Stored procedure is a concept is there. Create or replace, for example, procedure like this only. Don't write it, just observe it here. Okay, so now here, yes, here, this is PLSQL coding only. Suppose they are passing a what account number. Okay, fine. Here like this. Some coding is there. That is not a difficult coding. That easy coding only. One of these days, you are okay. So learning some concepts means you are also writing like this. Suppose here this is a balance is there. For example, now I'm retrieving a what a balance from the where table means some commands are there. Okay, fine. Select into class. Some commands are there. Select balance into. I'm storing in a v underscore balance is a variable only from bank like this. And now here, yes, here. So now here where don't afraid this one only. Just they're writing a what project side. Programmers are writing like this. Okay. Now here only logic observe it here. Here only if conditions they are writing. If user entered amount, okay, so now here less than the where available balance. For example, in a bank only available balance are there or not in a database. Then they are writing a what? Yes, here update. Okay, so now here update, delete. Some commands are there. Okay, fine. Update bank only. Set here balance is equal to balance minus amount. And now here amount like this. What happened means observe here. This is a coding they are writing only. And now here check it out. And now here like this. Now here they are writing a what message. Okay, so now here your transaction successful. Some messages are displayed in a bank. No, yes, here those type of things they are writing like this: transaction successful. And now your transaction is successful. Anything also they are writing commitment, save something only else. Here insufficient funds is a message is there. No, yes, here those type of things they are writing. And now here check it out. So now here is funds. Okay, fine. And now this is the way they are writing a what coding. Maybe any power is gone or anything means your money is never lost means exceptions they are writing. And now here in that case roll back in the transactions. Okay, fine. These type of experienced persons, suppose you are joining in a company side, you are a PLSQL developer in a company, they are writing about this coding procedure is created or not. Yes, here this is called PLSQL coding. Don't afraid. These codings are very easy. Non-technical persons also easily they are writing only. That much of easy one. In a PLSQL side, you are learning. Don't worry. This is PLSQL coding only. This is a coding. Yes, according to requirement, they are writing what some piece of coding. Okay, so now 10 lines of coding, 10 lines, okay, 15 lines of coding. Some coding they are writing one. Okay. Now, whenever they are writing about this code here, observe it here. So now here, yes, I try to execute that one. And now here, don't write it only. Just observe it here. Really, this code is executed means then you are understandable. Observe it here. Here procedure, here 1001, my account number. Okay, fine. Now I try to withdraw 9,000 rupees. Possible? No, not possible. Whenever 9,000 rupees is a want more than the where here 3,000 rupees available balance. My account number 1001. Yes, Murali is a what account number, account name only name of the account holder. Now here 3,000 rupees are there. By from this account number, I try to withdraw 9,000 rupees. It won't work. It will give a message here insufficient funds. How it will be displayed insufficient funds? Whenever I'm inserting a ATM card, I'm scanning and some coding is executed. In that code only, just it will be checking a what? Yes, my account number. Okay, account number, it will be checking. So now here in that account number, here it will be taking a what amount. Yes, your user entered amount is less than the very available balance means withdraw. Otherwise, here I am writing a what insufficient funds is a message. I'm writing only automatically that is executed or not. Yes, correctly it will be executed or not. Yes. Now here, suppose here I try to withdraw some amount only. For example, here 1001. Okay, fine. Okay, my account number. Now I am passing a what here 2,000 rupees. Sir, otherwise 1,500 rupees. Otherwise 1,000 rupees. I'm withdrawing anything. 2,000 rupees. I'm withdrawing. Whenever I 2,000 rupees I try to withdraw here amount only this one 2,000 rupees I try to withdraw means yes possible or not? Yes, possible only. Why? Because here that is okay 2,000 rupees less than the where available balance or not in a bank database available balance 3,000 only. That's why here yes it will be executed transaction successful automatically. This is a message it will be displayed or not. Why? Because I am writing a what coding here transaction successful. I'm writing a coding or not. That is affected updated in a where in a database. Observe here 3,000 minus 2,000 means maybe in a database here in a table only select star from bank only here 1,000 is there or not. In a previous case 3,000 is there but I'm withdrawing about 2,000 rupees automatically 1,000 is there or not. That's why these type of so many application side this PLSQL knowledge is required. PLSQL okay coding is required. Again, not only that one, nowadays, very easy understandable. So now here, not only, okay, those type of so now applications, but also, yes, here nowadays, so many fellows are, you are also purchasing a what items in a way through the web, so now here a commercial website, that is what flipkart.com, otherwise amazon.com like that. In that applications, web-based applications, 100% database is available. 100% without databases, we are unable to implement a what web-based applications. In a website also, you are observing it. Now here, check it out. Suppose you are a first-time newcomer, either Python you are learning, Java you are learning, compulsory why database knowledge is required means here why PLSQL developers are required in this case means observe it here, concentrate. Small application I'm telling you. Now here, check it out. One example, observe it here. Don't write it anything. Example, suppose Today, I want to interested to purchase a what? One item, for example. Okay, fine. I'm opening a what? Some website in my mobile, otherwise in my computer, www.flipkart.com, for example. So now Flipkart or Amazon or anything. Roughly on out here, flipkart.com. Whenever I'm was opening a what? A browser in my occasion of here, yes, laptop or mobile means, then automatically this web browser connect to the where? Web server actually. So now here, this is a web server is there. Maybe web servers are not visible to the where here customers or end user or anything. And now here, this is a web server is a big concept. Maybe Java, .NET, Python, the PHP, these type of programmers are well-known persons. But unfortunately, these web servers are occasional, does not store large amount of data. Storing a data, but a large amount of data does not store. That's why these web servers are automatically connected to the where? Database servers. Database servers. Here, this is the entire architecture only. Here, observed here, data, roughly. Observed here, database server. This is a database server, either Oracle, either SQL server, either DB2, or any database. Okay, they are installing a what? Yes, Oracle software, SQL server software, DB2 software, like this only. These are databases. Oracle database, for example. Okay, fine. Now here in a database, for example, in this one here, this is a what? Web browser connect to the web server connect to the where? This database server. For example, roughly, here only so many table format only data is there. This is relational database, no table format only data is there. Suppose whatever occasion of here yes, festivals are there, maybe okay, they are giving a what this percentage, that percentage, occasion of here is some son of your price they are giving means those all prices are displayed from this database into where this front end. Everyone knows, not only that one. Suppose here these type of applications, whenever they are purchasing a what some items means, suppose here you are also booking a one item in a Flipkart or from the where Amazon websites. But unfortunately, in your parcel, anybody observing or not, order ID is there or order number is there, some unique ID is there. How it will be generated means slowly observe here. This is order master is a tables are there here. In a real-time project set, so many tables are there, order master, some names are there, don't worry. Here master table, order child table, so many tables are there. In these tables only, now check it out, order number is there actually, order number or order ID. So now again here item name is there, item number is there, date of purchasing, so many details are there. Okay, price is there, okay, so many details are there, for example. These all the details are available in a where? In a table. But unfortunately, this order number, they are creating a what? Primary key, same like a bank account number. Primary key means does not accept duplicate data. Your order number and your friend order number is not same. So now here, okay, like this, that is a unique only primary key. Something is there. Don't worry in a database. Suppose, for example, okay, this architecture is there. Suppose this web server, this database server, I am a customer means I don't know. So no, really. Suppose, for example, today I'm interested to purchase a one item. For example, I'm booking a one item. Whenever I'm booking a one item means this web browser connect to the where? Web server. This web server connect to the where? Database server. In this database server, automatically one unique identification number is generated. Order number, okay, 1001, anything, okay, order number. This item name and price only, okay, automatically, okay, so now you will be booking whatever price and items are there, those details are stored in a where? In this table, okay, fine. Again. Suppose here I'm purchasing a what today one item, but unfortunately in a worldwide so many, okay, so now here, yes, persons are booking a same item also, possible. Suppose I'm booking a what, so now one item only, you are also same item, maybe you are booking or not, yes, possible. So now because these are website worldwide, now suppose here, now here another fellow also opening a what same website, for example, www.flipkart.com. Now here, but unfortunately, so now here he is also booking a what same item. For example, same item he is booking. Whenever he is booking a what same item also here, that web browser connect to the where? Web server connect to the where? Database server. Here same order number or different order number? Different order number. Okay, next order number automatically generated. And now here, yes, item name is same, price is same, like this only some details are available. Again, some other fellow also opening a what? A same website, and also he is also booking a what? Same item. For example, different item also. But in this case, example said same item I'm telling. same item, and then this web browser connect to the web server connect to the this database server. In this case, automatically generate a what? Which one? So now here 1003 different order number, anything roughly. And now item name is same, price is same, like this one, price is same, and also some details on. Now you are observing or not, here why PLSQL developers are required means here these order numbers are automatically, these primary key values automatically not generated. They're writing a what? Some coding only in a PLSQL developer. Here some coding they're writing only in this case. These PLSQL developers are writing a what? A coding. So now here coding only. So now here, yes, here, what is that one? Means auto increment is a concept is there in a real-time project side. Auto increment is a concept is there. Through that one, they're writing a what? Coding only, sequences, trigger, something coding is there. Yes, they're writing means automatically this will be generated. Maybe that's why Java, .NET, Python, these type of developers also auto increment, they have an idea. Generating the primary key values automatically. That's why these type of things they are maintaining means specialized professionals are required. That is called PLSQL developers. That's why, yes, always in a real-time project side, so many users are there in a PLSQL users, so many users. Suppose Aadhaar card number generation, otherwise, okay, so okay, Zomato, Swiggy, these type of food items we are booking only through that sites only. That is a coupon code is what it will be generated within 5 minutes only. That expiry minutes are there. So many things are there. Those all the things how they are writing a coding through the PLSQL. That much of powerful database. That's why always what I'm intimating to you only means here Oracle is a relational database software, some database software product. But if you want to operate a what? Oracle means SQL, PLSQL knowledge compulsory required. Once you are good at what SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL, little bit of thing only, that is you don't know also not a problem. These two languages through we are operating a what? These type of softwares only. Very important. Oracle software, for example. Now here, concentrate here. Actually, which type of persons are learning what? These courses? That is important. You are a first time newcomer. What type of persons are learning and why they are learning means reason is there. Now check it out. For example, you are interested to learn a what? Oracle course. But what is the purpose? That is important. Suppose so many different persons only learning a what? Oracle course nowadays in a worldwide. According to my experience, I am telling. What type of jobs are available, for example? Actually, you are in a which place? Check it out first. You are some non-technical persons are there. Those persons are not good at what? Awareness in aware, how much importance in aware database means. They doesn't know. That's why I'm telling only first. Slowly observe here. Concentrate here. Suppose what I'm saying, okay, so giving a what first newcomer purpose means so many fellows are in academic career side, okay, BTech they are completing. So now here again MCA they are completed only. Again MSc computers. Okay, so much of some computer courses they are learning. Okay, so now here completed only in academic career side. Those persons are okay. So now here in a nowadays last 3 years, 4 years onwards. Yes, okay. Those lecturers are telling please be okay. So now here yes, learn a what either Python or Java fundamentals only. Maybe in a campus interviews are there. Fastly they are recruiting a what. So now here yes. Okay, so many companies only, and they are providing a training. They are telling really correct only. And now here, yes, here. That's why so many fellows are Python, Java, those type of small fundamentals they're learning. But unfortunately, where their failure in a very interview side means those persons doesn't know. Actually, Python, Java, PHP, okay, so .NET, these type of courses they are learning also. Compulsory minimum database knowledge is required. Minimum. Why? Because now I'm showing a what web-based application implementation. Roughly, I'm telling you, yes, here Flipkart, and then that is connected to the web server connected to the database server. No, yes, here that database knowledge is required. That's why any web-based application programmer implementing a websites also minimum knowledge is there required. In that case, suddenly they're asking what is database, what is normalization, what is a primary key, what is a some joins, what is what write a query to display and salary employee. These type of queries they're asking, then they are not telling me is rejected, they are not selected. That's why first newcomer side, okay, so recently passed out those person side, what I'm telling, Otherwise, 1 year experience is there. Those persons, so many courses they are learning, either Python in outside only, not only. So in academic career side, Python course they are learning. Otherwise, Java courses they are learning. Otherwise, PHP, now here, these type of courses they are learning means those persons here, .NET or anything, okay, fine here. Either SQL Server or, okay, these type of web-based applications, these type of web-based applications, so many fellows are so learning only, okay, fine. First, newcomer side, okay, newcomer in this latestly pass outs only, recently pass outs, 2001, 2022, 2021, like this one. Now those persons are interested in a where most of the worldwide, most of the programmers interested in a where web-based level, more concepts are there compared to where in other database, and also worldwide opportunities also more. That's why these type of web-based application programmers are anybody interested to learn those front-end courses means those persons also compulsory, mandatory to learn what? This backend. Minimum basic, SQL basic one, at least queries, joins, constraints, like that one. Again, not only that one, second type of persons who are learning what Oracle course means, observe it here. Suppose so many fellows are not good at what these Java, these Python, these .NET. Okay, maybe some fellows are not good at what coding. Okay, some of here, yes. Maybe any non-technical persons are there. Those persons are not interested in a coding. But unfortunately, they are passed out in a way maybe 2018, 2015, like this only. Maybe so much of gap is there. Any reason? Maybe they are unable to get a job. Maybe, okay, so those persons is the best opportunity is what? Yes, here, strong knowledge in a where PLSQL developer, 2 years, 3 years gap is there, for example, 2+ years or okay, 3 years gap is there. Then those persons are learning a what? Okay, so now here Oracle course. Why? Because so now here those persons are applying a what? Which one? Jobs are available. What type of jobs are available? PLSQL developer jobs. In a net only you have to type a what? A PLSQL developer jobs means without any knowledge of the front end. PLSQL developer jobs are there. Okay, so now those persons only learning a what? This course. And now here those persons are basic SQL enough. Basic SQL knowledge. Basic. What is what your idea means enough? Basic SQL plus now here strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Strong PLSQL means in our course is enough. And now here strong, very strongly we are telling in our course side only PLSQL side because I am basically PLSQL developer. And now that's why PLSQL developer jobs purpose. That's why in our class so many fellows are in a 2010 year onwards. And now here they're applying what PLSQL jobs. So many fellows are well settled based on this course because so much of syllabus I'm giving. Okay, my strength is always so much of knowledge we are sharing only. That's all. Okay, fine. In a PLSQL side, through that one, so many fellows are well settled on. Okay, fine. That's why anybody now here yes doesn't know any coding, say anything, non-technical persons, and also those persons are afraid of what in a where in a software job means those persons slowly PSPL some knowledge is there, then PLSQL slowly strongly they are learning, and now then 2 years 3 years gap is there, then they are applying means 100% job there. But those persons little bit of Unix commands they have an idea means better. Okay. In a net only you are observing a what you are typing at these type of jobs means you are understanding. Okay, those persons also learning a what in our course only on our Oracle course. Okay, these two regularly who are passed out in a the gaps are there. Those persons also learning from me is a Oracle. Otherwise, Java, .NET, Python, fundamental programmers also learning a what that course. Now again, not only that one, so many fellows are nowadays different jobs are there. Suppose, for example, so many fellows are afraid of what, okay, fine, what is PLSQL and all these things. I am not good at strong knowledge only. That's why another way, any chances are there to get a job? Yes, another chance is there. What is that one means? ETL developer, ETL, extraction, transformation, loading developers are there in a worldwide. Those developer side, PLSQL knowledge is not required. Here, only little bit of SQL basic knowledge is enough, basic knowledge. And plus some tool they are learning. What is the tool? Informatica is a tool. This is a GUI tool only. This is a ETL tool, Informatica tool. Maybe some fellows are having idea in our class only. Informatica tool they are learning. Those persons are easily getting a job without PLSQL knowledge. Again, another one is talent is a what tool is there nowadays. Okay, latest tool only talent tool is there. Those persons also learning a what? So now SQL basic Oracle course. Again, another one is so many fellows are in the olden days, a data stage is there. And now here in that data stage also, data stage is a what? ETL tool is there. In that tool also they are learning. That's why some fellows are little bit of SQL basic required. And those persons are learning what in a ETL tools in a data warehousing application side they are interested. Those persons also learning what this Oracle course. Observe here, different types of jobs are there. So many jobs are there, but so many fellows are having doesn't have an idea. Okay, that's a problem. Again, not only that one. Okay, fine. Observe here. Suppose nowadays reporting programmers in a data warehousing application side, reporting generating is very easy. Okay, fine. Observe here. Some fellows are not good at what? So now in a coding, okay, so now they are not interested in a coding only. Those persons are reporting tools they are learning only. Those persons also, yes, a little bit of basic SQL knowledge is required. Always basic. Okay, fine. Not advanced also not required. Basic SQL knowledge. SQL enough. And they are learning what reporting tool. In a older days, BOS is a tool is there. OBI is a tool is there. Okay, so now here, yes, again, now here nowadays here TabView is a what tool is there. TabView is a tool is there. Again, QuickView is a tool is there. These tools they are learning also. They are getting a what job? Maybe your relatives, okay, so now your friends. So many fellows are now here learning a what? QuickView, TabView. These type of reporting tools also they're easily getting a job in a data warehousing technology side. Suppose another type of persons learning what this course means Oracle apps is a ERP is there. SAP is a ERP is there no, in a worldwide. Same like Oracle apps is there. Okay, Oracle apps is 11 ERP is there. This ERP persons also very strong knowledge is required in aware PLSQL. Those persons also learning a what? So now here yes, this course strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Those persons. Again, not only that one, some fellows are vocation of here, yes, getting a job in aware. Another testing tools are there. Vocation of testing tools. Maybe anybody have an idea? And now here testing tools are there, automation testing, manual testing, so many testings are there. In that one, database testing also so many jobs are available. Suppose automation means Selenium, there you learning nowadays. So in a olden days, QTP is there. Like that manual testing, they have an idea. Those persons also they are attending interview means minimum knowledge they are asking only in a database. Those persons also learning a what? So now here yes, database tester purpose, Oracle SQL they are learning. Again, not only that one, nowadays here, SAP is a ERP is there. Okay, so now SAP is a ERP is there. In a SAP, okay, so now here is a ERP is there. In that SAP ERP side only SAP HANA is there. Okay, fine. In that SAP HANA side, now here always here some database knowledge is required. Views is a concept is there in a very SQL, basic SQL side. That knowledge is required. Those persons also learning a what? A basic SQL only. Basic SQL they're learning. Not only that one, some fellows are nowadays interested to learn a what? Cloud. Nowadays, cloud, no, cloud ERP is there. Oracle cloud also some fellows are getting a jobs on. Oracle Cloud, anybody easy way getting a job means Oracle Cloud course ERP they are learning only. Those persons also minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. Those persons also learning a what this course. Again, not only that one, data science. Okay, so now the data science programmer plus Hadoop programmers, these type of big data programmers also minimum now here a database knowledge is required. Those persons also everywhere also basic SQL observed here. Okay, so okay, PLSQL means rare cases, basic SQL knowledge is required only. Those persons also learning a what? Yes, here this course only. Okay, fine. Yes, here. That's why different how many types of jobs are available. Observed here. So many different types of jobs are there. Minimum basic knowledge is required in a database. Is the admin side also Jira admin, those type of things also compulsory. Yes, here those type of things are there. Otherwise, some fellows are not interested to get a what jobs in a where development side. They are interested to get a jobs in a where DBA database administrators. So now database administrator jobs are there, DBA jobs are there, Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, MySQL DBA. Those persons are administration. Coding is not required, but administrations they are interested only. So now backup and recovery, table spaces they are creating, users they are creating, they are assigned to where employees to where users and resources. They are maintaining the resources only. Those type of tasks they are interested only. Those persons are Oracle DBA course they are learning only. Admin jobs only. Oracle DBA jobs are available. And now here those persons also minimum basic knowledge is required in aware. Basic knowledge is required in aware Oracle. SQL, PLSQL also knowledge is required. Those persons also interested to learn a what? Yes, here this one. Again, not only that one, some fellows are nowadays, Murali sir, so now here I want to, my colleagues are telling, otherwise my relatives are telling Power BI, very easy tool only, that tool through we are getting a job. Yes, can I learn a what? Okay, Oracle? No. So now here actually, yes, here, okay, so now here, but this is a tool is there, no? Tab view is a tool is there, no? Same like a reporting tool in SQL server side, Power BI tool is there. Power BI is a tool is there, popular tool this one. And now yeah, this is a Microsoft product only, SQL server related. That's why better to learn a what. I am preferring a what SQL server backend is better compared to Oracle, because their products like that only. SQL server is a what. Yes, your product we are there learning. That's why so many types of different types of persons only learning a what. Yes, this Oracle course. But unfortunately, I am designing a what this one for not a Java, not a .NET, these type of persons purpose. Actually, here highly advanced only this course we are designing only. Subject oriented we are designing only. That is PLSQL developer side I am designing. That's why so much of syllabus I'm doing. Okay, yeah. So now this is the way so many different types of persons learning what this course. Okay, anybody having any doubts? Which purpose you are learning, based on that one you are only learning. Okay, yeah. Okay, up to this one is enough. Tomorrow is the last demo class, then we are starting our course. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Just small page. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you there is a last demo class only. So maybe then we are starting our course. Okay, tomorrow. Thank you. Some fellows are asking how to install Oracle software. I will tell you, don't worry. Installation, all the things are there. Installation process is there, no? That process, all the things we are learning installations. Installation steps are there. Installation process, all the things I will tell you one of these days. Okay, tomorrow continue. Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Anybody tell me? Can you hear me? Today is maybe last demo class only. Tomorrow onwards, actual classes we are starting. What I'm telling in a previous class means, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a database product. What is the purpose of database products means to store data permanent. Suppose if you want to operate this Oracle, then we are using three languages. SQL is a language, PLSQL is a language. Another one is dynamic SQL is a language. Up to this one we are discussing. And also you have an idea what type of jobs are available, who are the persons are learning about these courses. Yesterday we are telling only that one. Now slowly observe here. Now concentrate. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2. These are database softwares. What is this database actually? What is this? I am installing a what Oracle software, for example. How we are installing that software means I will tell you in a future regular classes side. Whenever I am installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is created in a disk only. This place is called database. That's why what is the definition of the where database means? It is a place, some place only in a computer system. It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. In a previous classes, I'm telling you, always Oracle, SQL Server, these type of databases stores a what? Structured collection of data. Structured collection of data. These databases stores a what? Structured collection of data. Not a random collection of data, structured collection of data, I'm telling. That's why, what is database? Anybody asking me, it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. This is a structured collection, organized fashion only data is stored. Now slowly observe it here. Don't write it here. Don't write it anything. Just observe it here. Some concept is there. That is, you don't have an idea. Those concepts I want only first initial stage. What is a database? Means everyone telling you what? It is a place. Don't write it. Just a demo. It is a place where we can store. Where we can store structured collection of data. Structured collection of data. But unfortunately, this that is everyone knows. These databases having a what? Two types of structures are there. Every Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these all database softwares having a what? Two types of structures. That is, so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. Why I'm telling two types of structure means this very, very important now. First, every database having a what? Two types of structures are there. Okay, fine. One is, anybody having idea? This one, any computer students? Yes, very good. One is a logical structure of the database. One is logical structure of the database. Another one is what? A physical structure. Another one is what? A physical structure. Anybody maybe tell me, now maybe some fellows are telling in our class, I think some computer students are there. That's why. What is the difference between logical and physical structure? I'm asking only. Anybody guess it? Or anybody tell me? What is the difference between logical or physical structure? Really, what is the logical structure of the Oracle database or SQL Server database, DB2 database? What is the physical structure of the Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 database? What is logical or what is physical? Yes. Suppose, for example, okay, you are unable to tell like that only. Okay, what is logical, what is physical? Okay, not a problem. Leave that one. At least you are a Java programmer, you are a Python programmer, you are a so now your data science programmer, a basic level programmer, for example, in a software company side. Otherwise, I am a PLSQL developer also. We are all working in a way, which structure? Suppose we are working in a Oracle projects, for example. Yes, which structure we are working? Logical or physical? Maybe guess it. This one you are guessing very easy. Very good. So many fellows are telling in our class only logical structure. That is 100% correct. Very good. That is correct. Logical structure only. You are a Java, .NET, Python, okay, so PHP. These all programmers. Otherwise, I am a PLSQL developer, basic. So now Oracle developers or SQL Server developers, DB2 developers also working in a which one? Logical structure of the database. Very good. Correct. Database administrators are there, some different type of job only, that one. Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, DB2 DBA, Teradata DBA, they are learning courses. No, those persons are database administrator only. They are appointed in a very company side. Those persons only working in a very physical structure. Okay, I'm agree. Okay, but what is this logical structure? Your answer is correct. Yes, okay, so now Java, .NET, Python programmers working in a very logical structure. Okay, your answer is correct. But unfortunately, what is that logical structure? Very good. Now here, yes, some fellows are telling, okay, similar concept they are telling, but not exact correct. But unfortunately, anybody interviewer asking, in a relational database, either Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, what is logical structure? They are asking me that easy concept. That easy. Practical I'm showing. Suppose this is the Oracle software is there. In a future, you are learning, you know? Yes, here, this is a Oracle software. This is a Oracle software I'm loading only in my system. In a future, you are also learning. So you're loading only, don't worry. This is a Oracle software, Oracle database, 19C version. Now here, my interest purpose, I am creating a table. Okay, some table only I'm creating. For example, today. Why? Because in a table format only data is there in a way, in a these type of databases. Don't worry. Here, these type of big tables are there. Same like today, I want to create a what? Some table. Okay, fine. Now, which table I'm creating? Slowly observe it here. I'm creating a what a table. Test is a table. For example, practically I'm creating a what this table. For example, test is a table. I'm interested. Okay, I'm creating only for example. In a future, you are also creating table. What is this table? You have an idea. Okay, create table test only. Okay, fine, like this. Now here, check it out here, like this only. And now here, yes, this is a table I'm creating one. Whenever I'm creating a what, a test is a table. Yes, here test is a table I'm creating or not. Table created. What is table? Don't worry. Oh, table we are creating, for example. And now this table is stored in a database. Okay, fine. Where the database is there, I'm checking. Suppose here in my system, in a C drive only. Okay, fine. Oracle is available. 1 minute only. Now here. In my system only. Okay, so now C drive, D drive here. Okay, so many things are there. Where is that? And now here, check it out. Here, and now here, yes, C colon is there here. Here, where the Oracle is there, I know. That's why I'm opening a what? That C drive only here. Oracle is available. And now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. I'm double click that one only. I'm opening a what Oracle folder. Now check it out. I'm opening a what Oracle folder. Now in a C drive only, Oracle is available in my system. Now in this case, any test table is visible or not visible? Slowly observe it here. Anybody, observe it here. Here so many files are there. These are database originally. And now here, yes, in this C drive only, Oracle is available in my system. In this drive only, in a C drive only. Here, test table is visible or not visible? Test table is visible or not visible? No, not visible. That's why a structure which is not visible in operating system is called a logical structure. A structure which is not visible in operating system, in OS only, in an operating system is called which one? Is called which one? Logical structure of the database. Logical structure of the database. That's why in a future you are creating a tables, you are creating views, we are creating a what synonyms, we are creating a procedures, we are creating a functions in a where Oracle or SQL Server DB2 in a database software also. That is not visible in a where in a C drive, D drive like this only. Impossible. Because that is not a physical structure, that is a logical structure. That structure is visible in a database. That's why that structure is not visible in a operating system. So many fellows are thinking about, yes, here, yes, my table is saved only. That is visible in a operating system. C drive, D drive, they're thinking, no, it is not visible only. That's why now here, yes, what is logical structure means? See, all are working in a logical structure. What is a logical structure? Logical structure of the database means everyone well-known persons. A database structure which is not visible in a where? A structure, and what is the definition? A structure, don't write it. A structure which is not visible, which is not visible, which is not visible in operating system is called logical structure of the database. Is called logical structure of the database. Logical structure of the database. But the structure is visible in a database level. Okay. Yes, here. Operating system only, it is not visible. Not visible. Very, very important. Suppose in a future, what is that one means? You are creating a tables, you are creating a views, we are creating a synonym. So many concepts are there. Don't worry. These all the things are not visible in a where operating system. But it is visible in a where, okay, database level. In a database only it is visible. In a database only it is visible. But okay, so in an operating system level, that is not visible. That is called logical structure. We are all working in a where logical structure. Next, what is physical structure means? Everyone telling very easy. Physical structure. Yes, what is physical structure means? That easy only. Why? Because observe it here, opposite of the where logical structure. What they are telling ANSI standard, a structure which is not visible in operating system, no, that is logical. But the opposite side means what? A structure which is visible in an operating system. A structure, don't write it, a database structure which is visible, which is visible, which is visible in operating system, in operating system is called physical structure, physical structure. But the physical structure you are handling, no. I am handling, no, impossible. Some other knowledge is required. What is that one means? Now here actually in a physical structure, who are the persons are working means, yes, here database administrators is a job is there. Database administration is a course is there actually. Database administrator. Now here, yes. Database administrator means DBA persons only. Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, DB2 DBA, those type of DBA courses they are learning, they are appointed as a what in a project side only, database administrators. Those persons only handling. What is this one? Actually, suppose in a software you are loading also, you are installing in your system, either PowerPoint, either Excel or anything also, some physical files are really created in a disk. Same Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or MongoDB, any software also, you are loading also, yes, automatically some files are created within a where in a hard disk only. Suppose here, suppose I am installing a Oracle software. Whenever I am installing a what Oracle software, automatically some files are created in a disk only. Observe here, in a C drive, here where the Oracle is there. Okay, fine, here only. And now some files are created. Observe here, these are data files, control files, read log files, some files are there here. These files also very, very important. These files, which structure is visible in a where some collection of files, collection of data files, collection of read log files, collection of control files, something is there. This structure is also called as what? A physical structure of the database. In every database side also physical structure, but that is not handling by the developer, only database administrator handling. But unfortunately, why I am telling you are a first time newcomer also, this is a physical structure and logical structure means a reason is there. Suppose, okay, I am learning a course, for example, slowly observe here, database definition is very important. That's why without confusing only I will tell you. Now here, I am learning a course. I'm learning a what course in a where DBA course I'm learning, Oracle DBA, database administrator course I'm learning. I am attending a what interview, for example, I'm putting a fake experience, 2 years, 3 years or anything, I'm attending an interview. Maybe roughly my interviewer asking, Murali, what is database? Is asking only, what is database? For example, just awareness purpose only, what is database? They're asking. Then what is database? They're asking means I am telling a what, I am administrator means I am telling a what, it is a what, son of here, yes, a place where we can store structured collection of data means interview is gone. Immediately interviewer rejected. Why? Because I am a DBA person means I am not telling a logical side. Yes, a logical structure means I am also here also familiar. That is a what? As now database means it is a structured collection of interrelated data or structured collection of data means there is a logical side. Logical structure side. Logical structure means is your structure is not visible in operating system, but it is visible in a where in a database only. That is a what? Tables. That's why structured collection of data means table format only. Developers are well-known persons. That's why they are telling a what? Yes, database means a logical structure side they are telling. But unfortunately, database administrator means they are very good knowledge in a very physical side, because they are well-known persons in a very physical, some okay, so many operations they are performing those files through. That's why whenever anybody interviewer asking a what is a database in a where Oracle DBA or SQL Server DBA, DB2 persons means they are telling a what physical structure side. What they are telling a what son of areas answer means, observe here, screen observe it. Suppose in a DBA, Oracle DBA person attending interview, what they are telling me is, yes, database is a place where we can store a what a structure. Okay, so now where we can store a what collection of yes data files, collection of data files, comma control files, comma read log files. They are telling only here .dbf files are there in a hard disk. .ctl files are there. .log files are there. This is a big concept. Your tables also internally stored in this one. Data dictionary is also internally stored in this one. And now there is a logical, physical structure relation is there. That much of powerful. That's why whenever Oracle DBA person attending interview, what they're telling only what is database means, it is a collection of data files, control files, read log files in a disk only. They're telling only. Really, that is correct. Really, that is original. But unfortunately, I am a developer, you are a developer, means we don't know that much of knowledge. What is that physical structure? We don't know. That's why, what is the database? Anybody asking me, in a books we are referring Java, Python, data science, Oracle, these SQL server, these type of programmer side. Logical structure side, they are telling. Logical structure means, yes, here always database level visible. And now here in a database level, oh, maybe it is a structured collection of interrelated data, they are telling. This is a logical side. Or maybe structured collection of interrelated data means in a table format, they have an idea. That's why they are telling only. That's why anybody interviewer asking what, yes, here Oracle or SQL Server, DB2 is a databases, I'm agree. But unfortunately, what is a database means logical structure side only we are telling. Why? Because you are a lowest level, basic level programmer. You are not an administrator. That's why it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Okay, fine. Yes, understood. Yes, very good. And now again observe here. Again, another one. Concentrate. Most powerful is a big relationship are there. That is a occasional later you are good. Now check it out. Concentrate here. But unfortunately, so many fellows are nowadays no SQL is a some concept, or maybe in a YouTube's you are observing me. So many others are writing difference between SQL, no SQL. Again, MongoDB. And now here, these type of terminologies you are typing in a Google means so many things, articles are there. What is those things? Those are non-relational databases. These are Oracle and SQL Server, DB2, Sybase. These are relational databases. What is these relational databases? How you are understandable this one means actually so much of history is there. Slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Already have an idea of logical structure recently. Based on that logical structure in a computer terminology side, data model is a concept is there. Slowly observe it here. Data model. Slowly observe it here. What is this data model means? Concentrate here. Actually, how data is represented at a logical structure of the database is called occasional data model. Observe here how data is represented. Data is represented at logical structure of the database, not a physical, logical structure of the database is called a data model only. Suppose